Hey, what's up?
Hello, I'm here to help you with any questions or information you might need. How can I assist you today?
You know that I just found a very interesting research paper named Zootopia Pi, Interactive Learning of Social Intelligent Language Agents. And the abstract it says like humans learn social skills through both imitation and social interaction. Could you explain it in very short?
Certainly. The research paper you're referring to explores how language based agents, like conversational AI, can learn social skills in a manner similar to humans.
I got the idea.
Great! If you have any questions or need further information on your idea, feel free to ask.
Could you tell me did I receive any reply from my coworker We? If yes, tell me her message in short and when I receive it.
Yes, you received a reply from Wei in response to your comment. Wei replied to your annotation with the following message: "It is very cool indeed." Assuming if a model is socially intelligent,